Factor by grouping. Since we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, it's a dead giveaway that it's a problem where you would use factor by grouping. Split up the first two and the second two terms. The common factor between the first two terms, well, there's no common factor for a number, it's just a letter common factor of x. What we're left with is 2x plus 3. To check to see that this is correct, x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Okay, now in all the problems that we've done up until now, the last two in particular, we found that the parentheses were the same. That's kind of our goal because we want them to be the same so that we can treat them like a big giant binomial common factor in which we put on the outside just once. So you can almost say, well, what do I need to do in order for that next problem, the second two terms, to work out to 2x plus 3? Well, you'd have to take out the common factor here of 4. Now there's also a letter component, which is y. Now if we did just that, we'd get 4y and 2, multiply them, that would give us the 8 and the xy. That's cool, but the only thing is that we'd have to get that negative somehow. We don't want to put the negative in here because then it wouldn't be the same. So let's try putting the negative on the outside then. In other words, let's make negative a part of the common factor between these two terms. All right, well, let's check to make sure that we get this right now. One more time. Minus 4y times 2x. Minus 4 times 2 is minus 8. Y times x, xy. So we're good there. Let's check the second term. Minus 4 times 3 is negative 12. Oh, times y, we got our y. So this is correct. So we set everything up perfectly well to get our final answer. Since our parentheses are the same, that is our GCF, or greatest common factor. We'd write it once on the outside, and then on the inside we'd write what's left over if we were to take it out of the problem. Namely, we'd get x, take it out here, and we get minus 4y. Our answer is 2x plus 3, x minus 4y.